If we search CryptoPunk NFT here in Google, you will see some kinds of pixel art avatars. Well, if you are not aware of these avatars, these are called CryptoPunk NFT. This NFT has sold for $532 million. If you're going to explore more like these, you will be shocked that thousands of these kind of NFTs are on sale for millions of dollars. So today we learn how these are made in Photoshop from a vector avatar. By the way, I found this vector art on Pinterest, which is made by Amit Sharma. In first step, select crop tool and crop the image. After cropping the subject, go to select and click on select and mask. Now click on select subject. While plus sign is selected, click on unwanted area to deselect. Now select new layer in output option and hit OK. Here you can see the background is removed. Now go to Filter, Pixelate, and click on Mosaic. Here in Mosaic window you can adjust the cell size slider as required. And click on OK. Now go to Image, Adjustment, and select brightness and contrast. Here increase some contrast and hit OK. Now again go to Image, Adjustment, and select Levels. Here leave this slider on 0.75 and hit OK. Now choose a solid color for a background. Select any color as you want. Drag the color fill to below the layer 1. You can change the background color by double-click on the color box. So using this technique you can convert any vector image to pixel art. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.